Welcome to HeatSign. Today, we are demonstrating how our fiber laser marking machine can effectively mark a plastic sample cut from an LDPE bucket. LDPE, or low-density polyethylene, is a common material used in buckets, containers, and packaging. Our fiber laser marking machine is designed for versatility, allowing you to mark with ease. For LDPE, selecting the correct laser parameters is crucial. We recommend the following settings: power 40%, speed 1000 millimeters per second, frequency 20 kHz. These settings minimize surface melting while ensuring the mark is durable and highly visible. Now, let's start the marking process. Notice how smoothly the laser engraves onto the LDPE surface. Despite being cut from a bucket, the machine adapts to the flat positioning, delivering consistent, high-quality results. The marking is complete. The result is sharp, legible, and permanent. This type of mark ensures your branding, product identification, or regulatory information lasts over time. Now let's mark the black one. Power 30, speed 2000, frequency 20 kHz.